Welcome to Jogo Coaching. In this video, I am going to explain do's and don'ts in daily Scrum meeting. Let us see top 10 do's or best practices that can be followed in your daily Scrum meeting. The first point in the do list is start and end the meeting on time. Don't delay the meeting because someone is not there. Starting and ending meetings on time will help the team to plan their schedule well. This will enable the Scrum team to demonstrate the Scrum value of respecting everyone's time. The second important thing expected in daily Scrum meeting is time box the meeting duration. Time box will help the team to focus on the agenda and make the discussion short. This will also help to plan the after meeting or offline discussion topics effectively. The third important thing expected in the daily Scrum meeting is limit the meeting to 15 minutes. If your meeting takes longer than 15 minutes, people will get bored. Team may start to dismiss the meeting as they will not be able to plan their schedule well. For the bigger teams, timeline can be fixed based on all the team members' agreement. The fourth important thing to focus in daily Scrum meeting is remove distractions. Scrum Master should ensure that everyone on the team is focusing on the meeting. Team should avoid any multitasking or distractions such as using laptop, mobile phone, etc. The fifth important thing the team should focus is defer the detailed discussions for the offline meetings. Use a parking lot for unresolved issues. Use the daily Scrum meeting to flag the impediments and not to solve the problems. Defer problem solving or detailed discussion to the 16th minute, that is after the daily Scrum meeting. The sixth best practice for daily Scrum meeting is peer-to-peer interaction and keep the team engaged. All interaction should be on peer-to-peer basis and not in the form of status update to the Scrum Master. Teamwork is always emphasized in Scrum, so the team should communicate well with each other. Scrum Master can introduce some techniques to engage the team well. For example, pass around a ball indicating whose turn it is to speak. This will keep them on their toes and improve engagement. Another important thing expected in daily Scrum meeting is say thank you. Whenever a colleague assists you or does something nice, acknowledge it. This will motivate the team members and bring the better collaboration. The eighth best practice that can be followed in the daily Scrum meeting is provide the opportunity to one person at a time to speak in daily Scrum. Everyone should get a chance to speak in the daily Scrum meeting. Scrum Master should ensure that all are getting opportunity to speak. The ninth best practice that can be followed in the daily Scrum meeting is allow people to bring the impediments and encourage the team members to discuss about all the issues openly. Scrum Master should create an environment for openness and transparency. The 10th important thing should be followed in the daily Scrum meeting is listen to others when they talk. All team members should listen without interruption. Team should demonstrate the value of respect for your fellow team members. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notification about future videos. Now let us see few things should be avoided in the daily Scrum meeting. The first one is team should not hide the issues. If there are any issues with the work, team members should ensure that the issues are highlighted in the meeting. Bringing the problem at the last minute to notice will put everyone under pressure that may lead to quality and delivery issues. The second thing to avoid in the daily Scrum meeting is don't discuss tasks or topics that are not relevant to the current meeting or its attendees. This will cause disinterest and make everyone feeling frustrated. The third thing to avoid in the daily Scrum meeting is don't jump randomly from topic to topic. Stay organized to reduce the chances of missing valuable information and the issues that are time sensitive. The fourth important things to avoid in daily Scrum meeting is don't postpone a meeting. Daily interaction is key foundation for a successful Scrum team. If the meetings are postponed by the team, project completion may be impacted. If the meetings are held in the morning, then it will get set the mood for the work that has to be done during that day. The fifth important thing to avoid in the daily Scrum meeting is don't talk only about the ticket numbers. Give a clear update about the work in the meeting so that everyone will understand what is done on the previous day and what is planned for that day. Just mentioning the ticket number or the story number will not help other team members to understand your work. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification about new videos. Thank you.